Una le leqheku ko Natala kwa le re ba re ke Zuma le re le batla unity le ba rena reunite le Zuma. We will never unite with Zuma, who wants to kill the EFF. Will never unite with MK that exists to destroy the EFF. We are not friends to the enemies of the EFF. Whether Trump says the same thing about the two of us, we don't care. We must never be tempted to unite with the agents who want to destroy the EFF. If Zuma batla unity of black people, why did he form MK when there was EFF? Because how from a party you are already dividing people. You must join the existing organization that pursues the same agenda, which is the EFF. There is no unity they are talking about. They are pretentious about it. Zuma is about himself and about his family. That's why he went to form that Spaza show. Today, Kopi is complaining about Parys. Hi told me today. Isali tomile kanakwa Ace Makashule Khale. Ankadinto Adisa ko Parys. Today, Urutlo contest Amowat 16. A contest of young because he's the one who brought people from Parys to come and work a year at Kwakwatsi. He went to fetch the money and make sure that Parys looks like Paris, whereas we are suffering. Comrades, let's go la tempted to do wrong things. Le misleader ke batho ba ilong hore ke bona ba corruptileng service delivery.